Wonders shall never end. Wonders, once again, shall never end. Welcome on board to Funky D Star TV News Time. Yes, not be news again. Say get some people when them kidnap in Niger State and some other state in Nigeria. But this one we want to talk about now about the one what happened the student when they kidnap in Kangara, Niger State. Now we want to talk about because I think it's the most recent one. You know why I say wonder shall never end? Because see we not get government. Because see Nigeria not get government. Waiting we get in our thieves in Agbada. Now here we get in Aso Rock. I don't tell now before say nothing like Buhari inside Aso Rock, nothing like president inside Aso Rock. Okay. The problem when the Nigeria now the leaders where we get all the whole problem from A to Z. Even before this incident happened about this kidnapping, when they kidnap Kangara students in Niger State, we don't they tell us say you cannot continue to pay thieves and expect say they will stop to the rob, or you cannot continue to pay kidnappers and begin expect say they no will kidnap again. Because when you pay them that money, meaning say you they encourage them to go kidnap more. When you pay this kind of elements, meaning say now you they aid them to go do all these crimes. That's why you see all the old kidnappers they don't catch them, because now government officers like the governors now then they into this lucrative business of kidnapping. Now the governors, somebody like this man now we'll talk about when be the shark. Well, I don't tell them say all of them don't open mouth to swallow money. Now Shark Gumi, aka Mr. Shark, don't swallow 800 million naira when Nigerian government pay give am, make it go give kidnappers. Wonders shall never end in that country they call the Zoo Nation. Upon say we don't tell them, say, look, una not fit they pay this, like the way when they pay ransom to Boko Haram. How they want to stop killing you? How? When we say you give them money, that money they carry and go buy weapon. These people now when they don't tell us now, say don't pay 800 million through the same Shaikh when go meet them in the forest. When claim say na him be the third party, na him sabi negotiation. Look, these people they want to finish the excess crude oil money. They want to finish even the oil, the whole oil where they sell in that Nigeria. Now they don't come with another grand plot when we see na the highest one. Now if they open and say this Shaikh of a thing, na him be the leaders of the whole kidnappers in Nigeria. 800 million deal. Now the man rock with federal government. The money, they carry and give him. And then they talk say with the help of Mongono. Now that they put Mongono inside, make you see, oh, now one government officer, they among them. Look, Shaikh go see these people some few weeks ago. Come back and tell us, say you don't go see these people. No. Say these people that they ask for government to compensate, to give them money so that then go stop to they do what they do, because then complain say the government they kill them and they need water, they need school, they need this and that. Forgetting say Boko Haram tell us say Western world education they not want them. They're not like them. They're not like Christianity. They don't like anything that is good. So why this sheik go come back on the tell us say, they want school, they want this. So at the end of the day, we can come and control a little advice when we get to FG so that they're going to take on the land, because these people when we get as FG, all of them are morons. Everything about the FG is fraud. Everything about these people na fraud, brother. So after the man don't do what he didn't do, he can't go and negotiate with the government. Now maybe they can finally conclude 800 million naira. It's a lot of money. Now the same sheikh, when they claim say in a cleric, na him then carry the money go give. Ladies and gentlemen, may not be like see. Now from here the whole thing they emanate. Make we read small. Make we see how government take pay the money. After they don't pay the money, brother, they can't send their slave when be La Muhammad can't talk say, oh, government no go pay anything. Now today now, when be Saturday, when La Muhammad can't come and come talk say, oh, government no go pay anything to anybody, they have to negotiate with those people in another way. So who owner they deceive? FG reportedly pays 800 million naira to bandits for release of Kangara student in Niger State. FG paid 800 million naira to bandits to secure the release of the victims. The federal government of Nigeria has reportedly paid a sum of 800 million naira to bandits for the release of the abducted students and staff of Government Science College, KSG, Kangara in Niger State. According to People Gazette, the government paid 800 million for the successful operation, which was allegedly brokered by the National Security Advisor NSA Babagina Mongono and a popular Islamic cleric Sheikh Ahmed Gumi. The publication stated that the bandits have now freed all students and officers abducted from Niger School. On Wednesday, adding that announcement about the release be tomorrow, Saturday. Now be today. Now I tell you now, say then go announce them fully. Say they don't release these people. Recall that on Thursday, Sheikh Gumi met the bandit who allegedly kidnapped the Kangara student in Tagina Forest, holding the gunmen. When asked about the outcome of his meeting, the cleric said, "There is a positive response from the bandits." Waiting in one tell you before. This one a game, brother. This one are the highest 419, brother. This one are the highest game organized by this same man when be Shegumi and his cronies. Organized, properly organized. Now when they don't succeed, tomorrow another one will go kidnap maybe 100,000 people in the same state or in another state. Well organized, well orchestrated plan by this same Sheikh Gumi. Now terrorist people you dey deal with. You are dealing with terrorist men and women. You are dealing with the terrorist. Well orchestrated plan by this same man and his cronies. I repeat. He no go tell you say he go bad now. So why can't be saying when the money come, when they don't see say if the same lazy and the crazy Nigerian soldiers, when they not their head not they walk, if then they organize, not be as they set up the money, army go follow on air everywhere, go capture these people where they in the forest. Even when this same Gumi don't come back, he freely say he go meet those people inside forest. Not be army go just secretly arrest the man. the man go tell them where those kidnappers dey. Then they go meet those people. You won't tell us say now, say army people that don't know where these kidnappers dey. You won't tell me say arresting Gumi so that in case, let's say for example now, the army people that don't know where these people hide, as they claim. Say that only Gumi sabi where they dey, and then they inside forest, and I go meet them. Why they not arrest Gumi? Gumi go tell them secretly where these people dey. Then army go take cover, go there. Or police. That's why I say wonders shall never end. But army go quickly jump, go southeast, go Orlo. Make I just put them straight. Go Orlo, where nothing they happen, where peace dey, go they keep people. Now that they tell us that say government pay 800 million. This is why that country is not going to work forever. Una when they chant one Nigeria, one Nigeria. It be like say this one are the highest deal so far since the existence of these people. 800 million. It's a lot of money, brother. A lot of money. Now the carry gave Gumi is now a multi-millionaire. How much? Let's say for example, if really say these people they exist, if really not be game, how much you won't give them? $1,000 or 1,000 naira. All those Melu people when they inside where they call themselves kidnappers, all of them will go. How much you won't give them? Token. The rest money you're talking up. With his cronies, they will go share. With his APC people. You don't see something. I wonder how that country go take better. Gumi no go tell you say he not successful because now him plan. Now him plan. Now him get the deal. I say tomorrow, you go see now how many people where they will kidnap in the same states. You will see how many schools where they will go to kidnap people in that Nigeria. You think say if na Biafran land, if na Biafran land, then do this kidnapping, then do this game now. Because this one a pure game. You think say FG go listen to now. They for never bomb everybody when they that area. Like what they're doing all. They for never bomb a whole city if na the Biafran land didn't happen. So why are we so gullible, ladies and gentlemen? Why can't be say we when be Nigerian people, the citizens, the masses, our head not a work to reason very, very fast to know what these people are up to. These people, they are up to no good, brother. Gumi orchestrated this plan, and the plan worked for him. Tomorrow now, he will go recruit about 1,000 people in different locations. Because in those sense now we don't succeed. And remember, this will not be the first time when government they pay this kind of money. So why Gumi no go carry army instead of negotiating? Because they say they want peace, they want to stop this thing. Then get army when get weapon to kill people or to invade innocent people. Why una no carry army as una don't set up the money? Or the first time when Gumi go there, una call Gumi go tell una where the positions where these kidnappers they hide, because they say all of them they inside forest, one place inside forest. So why army not go bomb that forest where they dey? This is the show you say, forget anything when any politician in that Nigeria, whether PDP or APC or Channel Crazy Television, they tell you, or whether waiting Bola Tinubu they come out, they tell you, because that one don't come out again now. They say now ain't come out. Ain't don't talk. We go still make that video on waiting Bola Tinubu Nyan. So why the army not go arrest this Gumi? Why do they allow all these people they go scot-free? Remember, the same Fulani people, the same Fulani people when they come kill you in the southeastern part of the country. Now them still be these people. The same people. So you go tell me how that your one Nigeria go take play out. You go tell me how that one Nigeria go take dey continue to dey work. You go tell me how one Nigeria go take better. The level of impunity in that country not be today. The level of evil when people want to call saying that them be una leaders they commit in that country not be today. Now because of them you they suffer. Now because of them you know they see one square may chop. Now because of them you not get school, you not get nothing. The same people. 800 whopping million, ladies and gentlemen. That one when then they run up and down, they go America, they go Europe, they go different places, they take treatment. That 800 million never read them build better hospital for themselves, at least for themselves in Abuja. So why are we so gullible? Then continue, ladies and gentlemen. When asked about the outcome of his meeting, the cleric said there is a positive response from the bandits, but he did not disclose when the student will regain freedom from their abductors. Now, I tell you, say this Gumi is a bloody criminal. A bloody one. When the Nahim and Atiku Abubakar them and all of them, all their group, now them plan this thing to collect money from our oil again. Now this way now they don't take the launder money again. And they don't see launder is not easy again. The people in Western world, they know they allow them to launder the way when they launder before, even though say they see it doing, but they not gonna look like before again when we say you can launder any amount of money come out from Nigeria immediately. Now they did it difficult somehow, even though say they still succeed. But this one now the latest form of laundering. Okay, now if fans in overseas refuse us to the launder money the way we the launder before, okay, we change strategy. This one now the strategy, the kidnapping. And the kidnapping can involve governments of the nation. It can't be like America go negotiate with bandits. Or Canada, then know where on a day inside forest too. Then know say okay, now that forest where them day. Then we go they call you say, oh yeah, how much you want? Where that one they happen? Brother, I say where that one they happen? In Canada, in America, in Russia. Then we just they call you say, oh yeah, come collect money, come collect in Europe, where they know where you did. And you when go tell them say, oh, you don't go meet those people. Then go leave you scot-free. You could walk up and down. Even they get God to tell them, say, they give you money. In Europe, in Western world, you are kidding. So, all this one another grand plot to the launder money. The money, when the money in question is too heavy, brother. It's too much. 800 million. Pay to free. Tomorrow again now you go see that they're going to spring out group by group, group by group, group by group, group by group. Because I know see government now they are pay masters. That you're telling me. The children when they kidnap in Chibok up to today we not see them. We not see them again. But I will tell us, oh, then release some, then they leave some. Then go they come, they laugh Shaibu because not Christian. And they tell you, see, their life you don't burn. All those things now garbage, now stories that touch. So when I come across this news, now yesterday when I come across this news, I can see that time sleep don't they catch me. I can see make I quickly sleep because I'm not fit talk this kind of talk because the thing big pass me. Now I can say okay, make I sleep. As I sleep, wake up now. I can say okay, make I just let my fans, my viewers all over the world know, both people when they're Nigeria and anywhere in the world know how much Nigerian government don't pay again give criminals. But the IPOB people, when they peaceful, the ESM people when they try to protect their heritage from the herdsmen killers. Now then that they carry jet bombers go they bomb, and people are proud in the zoo. See them, they go bomb the Eastern Security Network, whereas those people, they won't hold everybody hostage in the East. They're not go there because of Eastern Security Network. They go there because they want to intimidate, they want to oppress you, to allow herdsmen to they kill at will. They want to come and take your land, take over your land. Now their plan before 2023. That is why we, when we Biafran people, we no go ever allow it to happen. We no go ever, not in this generation, not in upcoming generation, allow it to happen. This one now bad plan to kill the whole Igbo youths. So what are done? All of them don't comment on this payment, 800 million. But the disinformation minister, La Mohammed, they come and tell us, oh, government not pay anything. We know who una be. We know how una they play. All of una hand stained with corruption. Not all of una. So ladies and gentlemen, before you stand up, make sure you press that red button when they write subscribe. Subscribe to my channel. And make sure you share our videos. Okay? One love, everybody. Tell us how you feel about this 800 million when they carry give one person, the so-called cleric, when Sabi to negotiate with bandit people. Okay? One love.